Welcome back. This is your English teacher, Miss Mehjabeen. So today I am gonna explain you first lesson, the tale of Benjamin Bunny. What do you mean by a tale? Tale is nothing but story. This tale is different. T-A-L-E is story. T-A-I-L is nothing but dum. Okay? So the story of Benjamin Bunny. B-E-N-J-A-M-I-N. Benjamin Bunny. B-U-N-N-Y. Bunny. The tale of Benjamin Bunny. Nothing but the story of Benjamin Bunny. Who is Benjamin Bunny here actually? Nothing but rabbit. The story of a rabbit. The rabbit name is Benjamin Bunny. Now before we start, here is a warm-up exercise for you. Look at these pictures. As you can see here, there are 4 pictures. So let us see the first question. How is picture A different from B? Now can you say me? What are they doing in both the pictures? Here they are helping each other in a friendly manner. But here they are fighting. Yes, isn't it or not? Here they are helping and here they are fighting. Okay, now let us see the second question. How is picture C is different from D? Here also, as you can see, here they are helping each other. But here in picture D, they are quarreling, fighting. Okay, so third question. What should the animals do? Whether they should fight or whether they should help each other? Come on children, answer me. They have to fight or they have to help each other? Yes, they have to help each other. Very good children. Now let us see our lesson. So one morning, O-N-E, one. Morning. It is not morning, morning. It's morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. One morning, as it's little. It's not little. It's little. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Benjamin Bunny. B-E-N-J-A-M-I-N. Benjamin Bunny. B-U-N-N-Y. Bunny. Benjamin Bunny. Sat. S-A-T, sat. On. O-N, on. A river. R-I-V-E-R. River. Bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. So one day what happened in the morning? This little Benjamin sat on a river bank. What do you mean by bank here? Bank is nothing but an area of a ground along the edge of a river. Near the river, the area what it will be there, so that is called as bank. So who is sitting there? Benjamin Bunny was sitting near the river bank. So he heard, H-E-A-R-D, heard the, T-H-E, the trot of a pony. T-R-I-T, trit, T-R-O-T, trot. T-R-I-T, trit, T-R-O-T, trot. O-F, of a pony. P-O-N-Y, pony. Nothing but small horses. Okay. So he heard the noise of trit trot of a small horses. Who heard this sound? Little Benjamin Bunny heard the sound of a small horses. Now, a horse carriage, H-O-R-S-E, horse, C-A-R-R-I-A-G-E, carriage. A horse carriage is nothing but like this, a horse carriage. Can you see here children? A horse carriage. Nothing but it is a vehicle. Mostly it will be followed by horse. Okay. Then was coming. W-A-S, was coming. C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. Along. A-L-O-N-G, along the road. R-O-A-D, road. So what is coming over there? Horse carriage was coming onto the road. Then it was W-A-S was driven. D-R-I-V-E-N. Children, repeat after me. D-R-I-V-E-N. Driven by Mr. M-R is nothing but Mr. Mr. Mac. M-C is nothing but Mac. Gregor. G-R-E-G-O-R. Gregor. Mr. Mac Gregor. And, A-N-D, and, beside, B-E-S-I-D-E, beside, H-I-M, him, sat, S-A-T, sat, Mrs. M-R-S is nothing but Mrs. Mac Gregor, G-R-E-G-O-R. So, who is coming in a horse carriage? Mr. MacGregor and Mrs. MacGregor. Okay. So, as soon as, A-S, as, S-O-O-N, soon, A-S, as soon as, T-H-E-Y, they, H-A-D, had, P-A-S-S-E-D, passed. As soon as they had passed, little Benjamin, L-I-T-T-L-E, little Benjamin, B-E-N-J-A-M-I-N, Benjamin, set off, S-E-T, set, O-F-F, off, set off to visit, T-O-V-I-S-I-T, visit his cousins, C-O-U-S-I-N-S, cousins. So what happened here? As soon as they had passed, who had passed here? Mr. MacGregor and Mrs. MacGregor. They passed. Then little Benjamin set off to visit his cousins. Then he decided to visit his cousins. So let us see who are the cousins here. Flopsy, F-L-O-P-S-Y, Flopsy. M-O-P-S-Y, Mopsy. C-O-T-T-O-N, Cotton. Tail, T-A-I-L, tail, cotton tail. And Peter, P-E-T-E-R, Peter. So what are the cousins' names here? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Children, say me please the cousins' names. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Yes, very good. Now they lived in the, T-H-E-Y, they, L-I-V-E-D, lived. They lived in the wood, W-O-O-D, wood, at the back, B-A-C-K, back, of, O-F, of, Mr. MacGregor's garden, G-R-E-G-O-R, apostrophe S, Gregor's garden, G-A-R-D-E-N. So who used to live in the wood at the back of Mr. MacGregor's garden? Yes, these four cousins, they used to live in the wood at the back of Mr. MacGregor's garden. Then old, O-L-D, old, Mrs. Rabbit, R-A-P-P-I-T, Rabbit, had once, O-N-C-E, once, told, T-O-L-D, told, the little bunnies, little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, B-U-N-N-I-E-S. So what did Mrs. Rabbit told to the bunnies? Let us see now. You may go, Y-O-U-M-A-Y, may, G-O, go. You may go into the fields, F-I-E-L-D-S, fields, or down the lane, D-O-W-N, down, T-H-E, the L-A-N-E, lane, down the lane, but don't go into, D-O-N apostrophe T, don't go into, I-N-T-O, into Mr. MacGregor's garden, G-R-E-G-O-R apostrophe S, MacGregor's garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. So what did Mrs. Rabbit said? Mrs. Rabbit said to the little bunnies that you can go into the fields or the lane, but you should not go to the MacGregor's garden. Then they listened, and Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail were good little bunnies. They are very good little bunnies and obeyed. O-B-E-Y-E-D. Obeyed is nothing but baat sunna. Okay. T-H-E-I-R, their mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. But not Peter. P-E-T-E-R, Peter. So what he is saying? That Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail are very good little bunnies and they listen to her mother also. But this Peter is a naughty fellow. He did not listen to his mother. His mother name is Mrs. Rabbit. Okay, children? So, what animals can you find in a garden? Yeah, many animals you can find in a garden. Mostly these rabbits. Do you love rabbits? Yes, everyone loves rabbits. Pigeons will be also there in a garden. Okay? Now, that morning when little Benjamin, morning spelling M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Little Benjamin, B-E-N-J-A-M-I-N, Benjamin. Little Benjamin came round. C-A-M-E, came, R-O-U-N-D, round the back of the fir tree. Tree, name is fir, F-I-R, fir, tree. He nearly, N-E-A-R-L-Y, nearly fell on top of his cousin. Top of his cousin. What is the cousin name? Peter. So what happened that morning when little Benjamin came round the back of the fir tree? Nothing but he was sitting near the fir tree. That cousin was sitting. So he has fallen into the top of his cousin, Peter. So Peter was sitting by himself. He was sitting by himself alone and he looked very sad and dressed in a red cotton pocket handkerchief. Red cotton, R-E-D, red, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, P-O-C-K-E-T, pocket handkerchief. H-A-N-D, hand, K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, kerchief. Okay. So, he was sitting near the fir tree and what happened there? Little Benjamin fallen into his cousin, Peter. He was very sad and he was wearing this red handkerchief. Okay, children? The remaining lesson will be in the next video. So, practice well, read the spellings and go through these paragraphs. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.